Earning money online is a practical goal, but the marketplace is crowded with low-paying traps and increasingly sophisticated recruitment scams. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a structured side income system. We are going to organize your access to top platforms and apply a filtration process to every offer you receive. To begin, you need two mandatory prerequisites: a dedicated email address used exclusively for gig work and a verified PayPal account. Separating these tools from your personal accounts prevents corporate clutter from mixing with your private data and ensures your incoming payments remain easier to track. To build a baseline of activity, sign up for 3 to 4 reputable survey sites. Platforms like Superpay.me, Prime Opinion, or FreeCash provide the most consistent volume. Most users stop when they hit a screen out. That moment you're rejected mid-survey because the platform doesn't have enough data to match you to the target audience. You avoid this by navigating to the user profile or demographic section before taking any tasks. You must fill this out to 100%. Completing this profile allows the platform's algorithm to categorize your account, matching you specifically with targeted, higher-paying offers. Once the profile is set, go into your account settings and enable both email and push notifications. Premium surveys have strict participant quotas. Notifications allow you to claim these opportunities the moment they are posted, before the slots are filled. When your profile is complete and your alerts are active, the platform moves your account into the prioritized queue for high-value tasks. For those with writing skills, you can move from basic surveys to higher-yield work on platforms like Textbroker. These sites focus on SEO writing. Businesses pay more for this content because it is specifically structured to help websites rank higher in search results. To get started, you must complete the platform's mandatory rating test to access the work dashboard. This system is built on quality tiers. As you earn higher quality scores, the platform grants you access to the open order pool with significantly higher per-word rates. Transitioning into skill-verified tasks like this allows your hourly return to exceed what is possible through demographic surveys alone. As you move toward these higher-paying freelance gigs, you must use a specific 3-step protocol to vet every opportunity. Step 1. Check the email domain. Ignore messages from generic email accounts instead of corporate domains. Step 2. Verify the listing on the company's official careers page. Step 3. Cross-reference the recruiter on LinkedIn to confirm their employment. Scammers use manufactured urgency to push you past this verification phase. They want you to act on excitement before you check the facts. Dedicating 60 seconds to this routine prevents your personal information from reaching data harvesters. Beyond verifying the company, you must set absolute boundaries on the data you share during the onboarding process. Never provide your bank routing numbers, social security number, or government ID until you have a verified signed contract. If a site asks you to pay an upfront training fee or equipment cost, leave the platform immediately. Legitimate companies pay you for your work. They do not charge you to start. Protecting your sensitive data until the job is fully verified is the standard requirement for safe digital work. Your accounts are now active, your profiles are optimized, and your automated alerts are live. You now have a system for receiving qualified pings, accessing professional writing boards, and identifying fraudulent offers. Take just 20 minutes of your time today to complete your first survey or submit your first writing sample. By following the safety checklist and using verified platforms, you can convert idle screen time into a consistent series of payouts.